Hi friends, welcome to Plantify. If you want to grow one vegetable at your home, I would say grow spinach. It's the most easy growing winter vegetable and you can grow them in small space like windowsill or balcony. And if you sow them in batches in an interval of around 1 week, you can get continuous supply of spinach throughout the entire winter. To grow spinach, you need to start from buying the seeds. You can get the seeds from local nursery or online stores. You may soak the seeds for faster germination. You can grow spinach in any shallow and wide containers. For soil mix, it prefers loamy soil. So add some compost with your regular garden soil to sow spinach. Spinach will take 3 to 7 days to germinate. However, it may take longer if you are not sowing them in right weather condition. Growing season in northern India could be October to February. Spinach grows well in full sunlight. So grow spinach in a place where it can get 5-6 hours of direct sunlight. Water them whenever the soil is dry. You may add a handful of compost after 1 month of sowing them. By this time, my second set of spinach already germinated. That is how you can get continuous supply of spinach. Spinaches will be ready to harvest within 6 to 8 weeks of sowing. Do not uproot the entire plant for the first harvest. Just cut the larger leaves, the plant will grow again. And during the second harvest, you may uproot the plant. See how I am just cutting the leaves. And after harvesting, see the small plants and the smaller leaves are still there. So they will grow again, and within couple of weeks, I will be able to harvest again another set of spinach. With my first harvest of spinach and my own homegrown Italian basil, I made Italian pesto sauce. Within couple of weeks, the same basket is full again. Now this time I will be uprooting the plants entirely. See the amount of spinach I got from just one basket. And this time I made typical Bengali spinach recipe with my own homegrown organic spinach. And by this time my second set of spinach grew this much. And I hope to get another harvest next week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more such video, subscribe to Plantify.